Errands. A whole lot of errands. Let's do this! I'm crying. Not really, but I had something in my eye and I didn't want to touch my eye because I was just in Target, so I put on hand sanitizer and then don't do that. Ow. Now I got something in my eye. Hand sanitizer. It's pleasant.
Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round.
On today's episode of Crystal Has Fun by Herself at Target, I mean, do you ever just... You know when you go to Target and you forget what you need, but you know you need something? So you just walk around until you can find it. It was this. We got it. We got it. I love when people discard their baskets. Helps me out a lot. Remember this? Aw, don't mind if I do. Right next to a cart thing. Score!
Why can't we just be honest? Why can't we just be honest? Do we do it right? You know, no.
So now I have a little bit of a drive because I have one more donation to make. You're in the box of food right now. It's like 60 pounds. It's all canned food. All right, it's 2:30. They close at 3, by the way. What's your turn, y'all? It is 2:31 right now, and I just checked GPS, and it says it takes 31 minutes to get there. Ride like the wind, Bullseye! So, last year, I don't know if any of you were around, but I took like a month break from posting on here because my cat passed away. It was super hard. She had diabetes, and she was allergic to everything. So, I bought so much food, like to try different proteins. I have insulin syringes that are brand new. I have a brand new sealed bag of prescription hydrolyzed protein food. So I'm donating them to the Watertown Humane Society in Wisconsin. The reason I'm driving all the way there... Ooh, that was a snowdrift. Okay. The reason I'm driving there instead of the Madison Humane Society is because one time I rescued a cat. I lived in the country and that area was not assigned to any humane society, so legally no humane society was supposed to take them, but this place helped me out. They saved this cat. They're just really nice there, so I really want to donate this stuff there. I also think that they don't get as much funding as like the capital city humane society does, so it's worth the drive. So this is the town I grew up in, and this is our only intersection. We even named it. It's called The Four Corners. One time, I was in driver's ed, and my teacher asked me if my town had stoplights. I laughed. Please get a move on. I'm not kidding, we're going 15. Karen, if you don't. Okay, I just called there. I said I'm gonna get there right at 3, and they said they'd wait for me, so. But yeah, the town I grew up in, Waterloo, Wisconsin, real tiny. My graduating class was 66 people.
My favorite cat in the whole building, but he's sassy. When you're his people, he's all over you. And then when he's done with you, he bites you and goes back in his cage.
Oh my gosh, my cat was like that, but like, she was very cuddly.
Tolerates dogs. Likes to rule over dogs. Let's put it that way.
Typical.
But like, people, when he wants your attention, he wants your attention. We spent 45 minutes this morning snuggling. Aww. When I got up to go do something, he chased me around the office and batted me as I walked out. Like, how dare you?
You're gonna snuggle right now. Aw, I hope you find a home soon. He's big. My cat was big too.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
I always said that my cat was tall just like me. We were like the perfect pair. All right, well, thank you.
Again.
My heart. I'm glad they can use it though. That was so sweet. It was so sweet. If there's one thing that has my heart, it's animals. All of them. All animals. I literally don't know where I am, so give me a sec. Okay, this is what a snowdrift looks like. If you're not from around these parts. Oh my god. Literally before I turned the camera on, I just about went in the ditch. I fell in a hole of some kind. Oh, get me out of here. I can't see anything. Okay, okay, we made it. We made it. Oh, good. It's raining ice. Yeah, Wisconsin was just like, yeah, you're just not getting off that easily. Oh my. My car just went. We're gonna give you one more real good winter storm before you